Want to build a professional website in just 1 minute? With WordPress, it's easier than you think. First, choose a hosting provider that offers one-click WordPress installation. Most popular hosts like Bluehost or SiteGround have this feature built right in. Once WordPress is installed, log into your dashboard. This is your control center for everything. Next, select a professional theme from the thousands available. Click Appearance, then Themes, and browse until you find one that matches your vision. Install it with a single click. Now customize your site. Add your logo, adjust colors, and set up your navigation menu. WordPress makes it intuitive with its visual customizer. Finally, create your essential pages. About, contact, and services are the basics every professional site needs. Use the block editor to add text, images, and other content with ease. And there you have it. A professional website built in about a minute. WordPress handles the technical complexity so you can focus on your content and your business. Log in to dolucapri.com to get your website fully developed in 1 hour.